Are you worried about hair loss or thinning hair? Many people experience these problems. It can be frustrating to see bald patches appear. But don't worry. There are natural solutions that can help. This essay will discuss rosemary oil and how it can help your hair grow back. Rosemary oil is a popular essential oil. People use it for cooking and for its smell. But did you know rosemary oil can also help your hair grow? It's true. Rosemary oil is a natural remedy for hair loss. It can even help regrow hair and bald spots. Rosemary is a fragrant herb known for its aromatic qualities and distinctive needle-like leaves. It comes from the Mediterranean region, where it thrives in the warm, sunny climate. For centuries, people have used rosemary for cooking and medicine. It has been a staple in Mediterranean cuisine, adding flavor to dishes, and in traditional medicine for its healing properties. Rosemary oil is an extract from the rosemary plant's leaves and flowers. The extraction process captures the essence of the plant, concentrating its beneficial properties into a potent oil. The oil is very potent, with just a few drops needed to experience its effects. It has many beneficial compounds, including antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents. Rosemary oil is great for your hair and scalp. It can be used in various hair care products, from shampoos to conditioners and serums. It improves blood circulation to hair follicles, which brings more nutrients to the roots. This enhanced circulation helps to nourish the hair, making it healthier and more vibrant. This helps hair grow faster and stronger, reducing hair loss and promoting thicker, fuller hair. Rosemary oil also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to calm and soothe the scalp. These properties soothe the scalp and reduce irritation, making it an excellent choice for those with sensitive skin. This is helpful if you have dandruff or other scalp conditions. Regular use of rosemary oil can help to maintain a healthy scalp, free from flakes and irritation. Using rosemary oil is simple and can be highly effective for treating bald patches. You can apply it directly to your scalp, ensuring that the oil reaches the roots of your hair follicles. Alternatively, you can mix it with your shampoo or conditioner to make it a part of your regular hair care routine. Let's look at a step-by-step guide to using rosemary oil for bald patches to maximize its benefits. Step 1. Choose your rosemary oil. Make sure you buy 100% pure rosemary essential oil. This ensures that you are getting the full potency of the oil. Step 2. Dilute if needed. Rosemary oil is potent and can be too strong for some people. For sensitive skin, dilute it with a carrier oil like jojoba or coconut oil. These oils not only help in diluting, but also add their own benefits to the mix. Mix a few drops of rosemary oil with a tablespoon of carrier oil. This mixture will be gentle on your scalp while still being effective. Step 3. Apply to bald patches. Focus on the areas where hair loss is most prominent. Gently massage the diluted rosemary oil into your bald patches using your fingertips. This helps in better absorption of the oil. Use circular motions to improve blood circulation. Improved blood flow can help in stimulating hair growth. Step 4. Leave it on. Leave the oil on for at least 30 minutes to allow it to penetrate deeply into the scalp, or even overnight for best results. Wrapping your hair in a towel can help in keeping the oil from staining your pillow. Step 5. Wash your hair. Rinse your hair thoroughly with shampoo to remove the oil. You may need to wash twice to remove all the oil, especially if you left it on overnight. Step 6. Repeat regularly. Do this 2 to 3 times a week for several months to see visible results. Consistency is key when it comes to natural remedies like rosemary oil. With regular use, you should start to see improvements in hair thickness and growth. Remember, patience and persistence are essential for achieving the best results. Section 4. The science behind rosemary oil. Rosemary oil has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, but modern science is now uncovering its potential benefits for hair care. Exciting research shows rosemary oil can help with hair growth. This natural remedy is gaining popularity as an alternative to conventional treatments. A 2015 study found rosemary oil was just as effective as minoxidil, also known as Rogaine, in treating male pattern baldness. This was a groundbreaking discovery, as minoxidil is a widely used and trusted hair loss medication. Minoxidil is a popular hair loss medication that has been used for decades. It works by stimulating hair follicles and increasing blood flow to the scalp. The study showed rosemary oil had fewer side effects than minoxidil. Participants reported less scalp itching and irritation, making it a more comfortable option for long-term use. Another study showed rosemary oil could promote hair growth in people with alopecia areata. This autoimmune condition causes patchy hair loss and can be challenging to treat. Alopecia areata is an autoimmune disease that causes hair loss. It affects millions of people worldwide and can have a significant impact on self-esteem and quality of life. The study found rosemary oil helped to regrow hair in the affected areas. Participants saw noticeable improvements in hair density and thickness. It also improved the quality of life for the participants. They reported feeling more confident and satisfied with their appearance, highlighting the potential of rosemary oil as a natural and effective treatment for hair loss. Section 5. Tips for best results. Here are some helpful tips to get the best results from your rosemary oil treatment. Be patient and consistent. Hair growth takes time. Don't expect overnight results. Use rosemary oil regularly for several months to see a difference. Combine with other hair-healthy habits. Eat a balanced diet, manage stress, and avoid harsh hair products for best results. Do a patch test. Before applying to your entire scalp, test a small area to check for allergies. Store rosemary oil properly. Keep it in a cool, dark place to preserve its potency. Section 6. Conclusion. Embrace the power of rosemary oil. Hair loss can be challenging, but natural solutions like rosemary oil offer hope. By incorporating rosemary oil into your routine and following these tips, you can promote healthy hair growth and address bald patches effectively. Try it for yourself. You'll be amazed by the results. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more natural health and wellness tips. Like this video if you found it helpful and share your experiences with rosemary oil in the comments below.